welcome to another The Daily Then Week in Review Influencer Edition. Let's dive in.
Big moment alert. A historic first for women in government is happening right here. Breaking glass ceilings and making moves.
Is this whole government league thing like the Justice League?
The only league here is the law.
Ooh, hashtag sassy.
We hold these truths to be self-evident.
Okay, fam, a major historic announcement just dropped live here. Revolution officially streaming. Freedom vibes, no lie.
Would this revolution make a good reality show?
Freedom is no show. It's real.
Hashtag 2025, are you listening?
July 9. Big legal glow up happening today. Citizenship and equal rights just got leveled up, no lie.
So, does this amendment make everyone officially squad goals?
Justice demands unity, though the fight continues.
July 10. Evolution on trial today. Science versus tradition. This courtroom drama is next level tea.
With everything we know now, why is evolution on trial?
Man did not come from a monkey. That's nonsense.
And here I thought we were done with this chapter. Spoiler alert, we're not. July 11. Things just got real. Hamilton and Burr are facing off. Politics gone rogue.
So what's the deal? Is dueling the 1800s way of settling beef?
It's honor or death. No less, no more.
Hashtag Quig, he's not throwing away his shot.
July 12, World Cup champs with a side of unity duty and France flexing on the global stage.
So is winning at home the ultimate flex or what?
Oh, it's major flex. Go ahead, watch me flex out. France run this game.
Good night.
July 13. Music meets mission. Live Aid rocking the world to fight famine. Queen just stole the show.
So what makes Live Aid the ultimate concert for a cause? When music's this loud, the world listens and helps.